How to remove explicit content on Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to delete or remove the content that are sensitive, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. Now to remove the explicit content, you need to open your Telegram account on your web browser. Now open your Google application. Just like this. After opening it, tap web.telegram.org on your search bar and you will find the link, and tap on it and simply log in with your Telegram account on it. Then you will find something like this after logging in. Now tap onto three lines right here, select it. Then here you can find settings right here, tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find privacy and security, now select it. Then again scroll down and here you can find the sensitive content. Now to remove it, simply tap onto this button right here, tap on it, and now you can see it has been removed. And that's it. This is how you can remove explicit content on Telegram. Now you will not get any sensitive content on your Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.